nice. So from a personal golf chronicle to actually putting out information out there that will help the golfers to know more. Now I'd like to shift to Fairway Tita. Okay, umpisahan muna natin. What's the story behind the handle, Fairway Tita?
Okay, so I just started to play golf like a year and two months ago because I wanted to wear the cute Lululemon skirts.
True, she told me that.
And then I was into swimming before. And then during the pandemic, this is the serious part now. During the pandemic, my brother died of cancer and I had to undergo therapy because I was diagnosed with complicated grief. So it's like PTSD. Part of the therapy for me was to engage in an activity. And swimming became so isolating because you just swim by yourself. So at that time, I was looking for another sport. And my husband was into golf. So, and we were like fighting because he didn't want to swim. So I like made a deal with him that he swim and then I'll play golf. I'll try. Okay?
Wow.
I tried and they bet against me. My friend said, you know, Stan, she will not last one day because she doesn't like the heat, she doesn't like everything about it. They all